What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 8th of April, Saturday. Taking a quick look here this morning at XRP. So currently on coinmarketcap.com, the XRP is sitting in number 6. Let's see here, 24-hour up 0.48%. The 7-day is up 0.62 and the 1 hour is down 0.15. So sitting at that number 6 spot, waiting for XRP to flip all of these coins and work its way up to that higher rank, maybe that 2 to 3 number rank. Guys, let's check out the chart. I want to show you what I am looking for on the next breakout to the upside. So we're going to head over to tradingview.com. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the 2,000 plus subscribers. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here on the channel. So XRP has been basically trending down to sideways for, let's take a look here, basically since the 30th of March. Once we hit that resistance at 55 we were looking for, that came in quite nicely. We've been trading sideways. We have found support down there at the 48,700 level. That still holds. We are also sitting right above our 50842 support, so call it 50 cents, this white line on the chart right here. So we're at the 14th of October, call it the 4th and 5th of November. That resistance is trying to be turned into support, and currently today it is. So what was once resistance potentially turning into support right now for XRP. So we're still in that shorter term uptrend here. We have that breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback. Question is, do we get another breakout? If we, assuming that does take place here and the trend does continue higher, we'll also talk about the reverse of this, which would be a lower high potentially and a breakdown. But on the bullish side for XRP, the next swing higher, I would be looking for basically a 63 to 64 cent XRP. So that would take me up to, take the XRP chart up to right of basically these two white lines on my chart. That would be the next leg higher. So that would be that 63. I mean, the exact is 63,740, 63,120. Potentially finding a little bit of resistance at the 61,060, but basically that 63 to 64 cent XRP, assuming we do break out to the upside and take out the high that was put in place on the 29th. That high was 58,482. So I'm looking for a 63 to 64 cent XRP from, like I said, assuming we break out higher. So from roughly our 50 cent mark up to that area would be a move of, call it 23, 24, basically 20% plus from where we're at now. This entire move here from basically our pennant pattern to where we're currently at is a 35% move. And if we got up to that 64 cent XRP, that would be a 68% move higher. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, assuming the price does break out. So on the flip side of that, guys, the RSI is basically going sideways. I can't take too much out of this. I mean, it's not trending down. It's not really trending higher. It's kind of just going flat. So, and it's definitely at the upper end of the range. So we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I don't put too much weight on that. More or less interested in the price action. On the flip side of that, guys, is that XRP, this is a lower high. Let me try to get my correct tool here. this is a lower high, and then we get a breakdown like this. So where that stops, I mean, I have tons of levels below the market, but if we start to break below that 48,700 level, I would be kind of concerned for the price. I mean, a potential stopping point is down here at the 43 cent mark. So don't know if that will happen, but assuming this is a lower high and we don't break out up into that 63 to 64 cent, and we start to undercut that 48,700, things start to get a little dicey. Maybe it's down to 46, 45, and then potentially got a nice cluster here of price action at the 43 cent mark. And then, we have this high over here. So old resistance turning into support. That's on the bearish scenario, guys. So 63 to 64 to the upside. If the market gets crushed and they break it down, always be prepared for anything, guys, especially in XRP and cryptocurrency. If we start to break below 48,700, could be down to that 46, 45, maybe even that 43 cent range. Of course, long term, very bullish on XRP, but guys, we're trading at 50 cents. So we're not trading at $50, $10. Right now, we're trading at 50 cents. So if we get a breakout similar to what has taken place in the past couple weeks here, I would expect a 63 to 64 cent XRP realistically. But of course, I'll take anything above that. If you want to give me a $1 or 80 cents or whatever, that's fine. But if we repeat what has taken place recently, 63 to 64 cent, I think, is very realistic. Let's take a quick look, guys, at Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Of course, all comments are welcome. So if we look at Bitcoin, guys, I've been talking about this level for a while. We're starting to get that RSI divergence here. We're starting to get that slight trend down. A little bit of a concern for Bitcoin. But anyways, I have a very important level on my chart that we've been watching for a while now. It's 28,249.67. I don't have my, keep getting these little ad pop-ups here. 28,249.67, this blue line on my chart. This blue line on the chart is important. Why? Because the price cannot get above it. Look at all of these candle wicks. I mean, we have candle wicks going back to the 19th of March, and the price so far today is basically not getting above it. So that could be the deal breaker for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can't get its act together and get above that 28,249.67, it's heading lower, and it's probably going to be heading down to that 26, maybe 25,760. Ideally, what I would like to see, I'd like to see a breakout above that, and that takes us at least to 30K, probably much higher. There is a lot of energy built up right here, and it needs to be released. So we'll see what happens, but so far it's having a struggle. It's taking its sweet old time. It's crazy how these markets can just trade basically sideways for long, long periods of time, and then we get those big, big explosive moves. 28,249.67 for Bitcoin. XRP is the exact price would be 508.42. Potential support 63 to 64 cent XRP. If we break out, if we break down, a break below 48,700 is a concern. 45 to 46, maybe even 43 cents. Guys, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. All links always down in the video description. Have a great weekend. Have a great Easter Sunday. I'll catch you guys in the next one.